Hello and welcome to my channel Automate Anything. So today we are going to discuss how to download any file to a specific folder without any warning using Selenium, and we will see this in Chrome and Firefox browser. In our real automation test projects, sometimes we need to verify whether the downloaded file is present or not after the download button is clicked. So to do that, if you do not have the exact location of your browser download path, it is not possible for you to verify whether the downloaded file is present within that location or not. If you are doing this in your local machine, then it can be possible that you know your browser default download path. But in real-time projects, when you are running your automation test in different test machines, in different remote nodes, then it may not be possible for you to know the default download location for every browsers. Either it may be Chrome or it may be Firefox. The location can be different, but it will be easy when you will define the specific download folder by yourself. When you are opening the browser from the code point of view, you are providing a specific folder or a specific directory for the download, then it will be very easier for you to go to that particular location which you have specified and to verify whether the downloaded file is present to that specific location or not. Now coming to the code. So here I have created one Maven project where I have the only dependency for Selenium Java with the latest version, and I have one class with a main method, and within that main method I have declared the WebDriver method, that is driver, and that driver instance is initialized by another factory method which is called WebDriver factory, and where I have one method, and that method gets the parameter browser name, where I will provide the browser names, and that method returns the WebDriver object for different browsers. And with that WebDriver method, I am going to open this web page, that is Selenium official website, and the downloads of that page. So this is the page where I will go to, where I am going to click the Selenium grid version link element, that is this one, and after that I will wait for 10 seconds to download it properly. But this is only for the demo purpose. But in your real life scenarios, in your real projects, what you have to do, you have to check for the presence of the downloaded file at the specific location. This specific location is the same location which you have specified where your download will be done, where your downloaded files will be present. Now coming to the main part. So I am going to the details of this method. This is the method which returns the WebDriver object, and I have two switch cases because I am going to show you how I am doing this in Chrome and Firefox browser. So here within the switch case I have only two browsers, Chrome and Firefox. So let's come first for the Chrome. So in case of Chrome, I have taken one map of string and object and named it as Chrome preps, and within Chrome preps I have provided download.default underscore directory, which is provided within Chrome preference, and the value of this key is the download path which you have specified. In this case I have specified this within a constant class. So the location of the default download is system.getProperty directory, that means the directory of this project. After the file separator, I have used this because it may be your Windows machine or your Linux or Mac, any other machines. So the file separator will take accordingly as per the OS. Next, the folder is target and then downloaded files. So in our case, if you can see, this is our project directory, and within that I have one target folder present, and within the target folder till now I don't have any downloaded files folder present, but as soon as the download will start or it will finish, then this downloaded files folder will be generated. And why I have done this kind of things, keeping this in a different class named constant, because as I have mentioned that when in your real-time project you are going to check whether the downloaded file is present within the specific folder or specific location, how you will get that location? You can get that from this constant class itself. So throughout your project you can use that download location as a constant. So I have done that. So your download location will be put against the download.default directory key. And another Chrome preference is safe browsing dot enabled, and the value is true. And if you have noticed, this is not a boolean true, this is a string true. So keep that in mind. And after the Chrome preference got created, we have the Chrome options, and within that Chrome options we are using set experimental option method, and the name as a key we are providing preps. Preps is the key, and against this key we are providing Chrome preps that map object as a value, and we are assigning the driver with the new Chrome driver constructor with the options that Chrome option object in that constructor. This is how we are creating or initializing that in driver object for Chrome. And for Firefox there are quite similar kind of things. So here you have to create the Firefox option object, and that Firefox option object, the first thing is that you have to set the binary of your Firefox exe. Next is you have to add the preference. Here the keys are something different from the Chrome, but actions are similar. Here within the add preference, browser.download.folder list, here you have to provide the value 2. The next thing is browser.download.manager.show when starting, and that value should be false. Next we are providing browser.download.directory, and this is the directory which we are specifying, and we are taking this from the constant.browser download path which we have created. Next thing is we are initializing the driver in the same way for the Chrome with the Firefox driver and the app option as passing to the constructor. Okay, so our Firefox browser and Chrome browser, Firefox driver and Chrome driver is now ready. So let's see how it will work in the real time project. So let me start it. It is opening. It will open Chrome and the Selenium downloads page. We just clicked on the latest stable version of Selenium server grid 4.9.1, that link, and after 10 seconds it just quit because I have provided 10 seconds, and within 10 seconds the file didn't download. But you can see that within our target folder, the folder named downloaded files is created, and that downloaded file is not completed. That is why the file is showing unconfirmed something.cr download, the way Chrome shows its unsuccessful download files. So it means if you allow it to download fully, the file will download within the specified folder by you. So now if you can imagine, you have to verify whether this file is downloaded or not. Then it is easy for you to just go to your project target and downloaded file, this directory, and try to search for that file. Okay, so now let me just change this browser name to Firefox and let me run it again. So it will run for Firefox. It will launch Firefox with that preferences which we have set, and then it will open the Selenium download page and click on the download link. Yeah, it started downloading, and after 10 seconds it will quit the browser. Yes. Now in case of Firefox, it is showing, though it is an automated driver, it is showing you that cancel all the downloads. If you exit now, one download will be cancelled. Are you sure you want to exit? Yes, I want to cancel one download, but you have to interact it manually because I am doing it in this way. When you are actually do it in your real project, you will not provide this kind of force wait for 10 seconds or 50 seconds or anything. You will do it in a logical way, in a meaningful way, where you have to find whether your downloaded file is present or not. You have to allow that time with a maximum timeout time depending on your project. So in that way you can avoid that alert. And the thing you can see here is the downloaded files folder is now having another two files. One is the Selenium server 4.9.1.jar, the file up to which the file has been downloaded through Firefox, and the part of that. So that means from our Firefox and Chrome browser, you can now select your specific download folder where you want to download any file. So our objective is now completed. Keep watching. Bye.